In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google AdSense account for YouTube. By the end, you'll understand how to start monetizing your channel through the YouTube Partner Program, get prompted to create or link AdSense, and make the necessary connection between your channel and Google Ads so everything works smoothly. First, apply for the YouTube Partner Program as soon as your channel meets the eligibility requirements. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account and that your channel follows YouTube's monetization policies. When you begin the YPP application, YouTube will prompt you to set up or link an AdSense account. This is essential because AdSense is how you get paid for ads on your videos. If you already have an AdSense account, link it. If not, follow the on-screen guidance to create one. Remember, individuals are allowed only one AdSense account, so keep your information accurate and consistent. Next, log into your YouTube account and click your profile picture to open the main menu. Choose YouTube Studio to access your creator dashboard. In the lower left, select Settings, then open the Channel section. Go to Advanced Settings. Here, click Link Account. This area is used to connect your channel to a Google Ads account. While AdSense handles your payouts, linking Google Ads helps with features like campaign integrations and measurement across your properties. When prompted, enter your Google Ads account name and your Google Ads customer ID exactly as it appears in your Google Ads account. Double check for accuracy to avoid delays. After you've entered the details, click Done and Save to send the link request. Now switch to Google Ads. In the search bar inside Google Ads, look for link accounts or open tools and then Data Manager to find the same place. Search for YouTube, locate the pending link request from your channel, and approve it. This confirms the connection from the Google Ads side and completes the link. At this point, return to your YouTube Partner Program flow and complete any remaining AdSense steps shown on screen, such as confirming your payee name, address, and tax information. It's normal for reviews and verifications to take a little time. If something doesn't appear right away, give it a day or two and check your monetization tab in YouTube Studio. A quick recap: start your YPP application, let YouTube guide you to create or link AdSense, connect your channel to Google Ads in YouTube Studio, approve the link inside Google Ads, and finish any remaining AdSense verification tasks. Keep your account information consistent, follow policy guidelines, and you'll be set up to earn once monetization is enabled on your channel.